time is 12:49 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yes, it is. And once again, stockmarketfunding.com has pulled it off. If you want to go back about 6 weeks ago, 8 weeks ago, when we said that we were going to put in that blow off top and that reversal, we have done it. And that's where the bull got top in heavy and whatnot. As far as all your indexes, Dow's down 137.54 on the NASI. You haven't seen that for a while. NASDAQ 100 though down 45 handles. What a haircut! You're coming down to that S&P where I said we got that lower support level right around that 1285. If we can get that drop down to that 1285, but once you break that 1300 on that S&P, that's a psychological level for the retail traders, hedge fund managers alike. Institutional, it doesn't matter. You're all going to have the same retail reaction to it as far as what the price in the market is showing. So there will be a time to buy these dips. The Dow got below the 12.5 because it did. And momentarily what I am going to show is the Google short today and how it did come down on the open. I'm going to explain the high frequency MMT market maker diamond alert and how the diamond alert works. And when the diamonds are ascending, you get to the top. But as the diamonds start to come down, that shows you when you go with them that the diamonds get lower and lower in price. And it's these diamonds are pegging the high frequency computing cycle machines that Wall Street has created and many other firms have created within the Wall Street tape. And it's not a fair playing field, but this diamond alert system, this is a mathematical equation that tracks those high frequency bots is what we call them. And you can see how well that short has come down, and Google had been outperforming the market, and still we got up to that 637 level and bought 640 puts, we bought 625 puts, we bought the 640 puts here. We bought the 630s and made good money off of those lows down here. But once again, we could never do that without the MMT platform and the Diamond Alert bot system. It's a mathematical equation that gives you a fair playing field so that you know where the market is and who's behind it with high frequency trading, referred to as HFT, and computing cycles. And it's not fair to the public. And it's not fair for the people that want to come in and buy and sell stocks and make some money, because the price action or the pricing mathematical scripts are manipulated, and it's very hard for the human mind to want to be able to keep up with that. But we show you how to do it here. We show you how to beat them at their game. That we do. And we're going into the closing bell. But once again, I'm going to get back to the bot system to show you on another time frame what the bot system can do as far as using a 13-minute mathematical equation chart, and how accurate that the bot system is. This trade that we're doing here going into the closing bell at 12:53 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, as you can see how that bot's got down here and how these, and I'm going to show you a perfect example. Live. This is all live trading, how that bot system works. Look at here. You see how that diamond got higher than these diamonds right here? You see how that diamond was higher than the last part of these two lower end sell-offs? Now, each line, each teeny line here, each teeny line is 88 cents per line right here. And that IR is 14. That means the robots are not pounding. They're weak. But you can see the ascending bots, which way they're going. And that will also tell you exactly where the bid and the ask is, like this in the equity. But the bot system does one thing. If this stays at a low level and you're minus 0.3839, going back toward a half a delta at 54, that's 8.17, he's at 88 cents a teeny line, minus $7.70 in dollar movement right here. Right now, you can see that the positive end, that short, we made all that money there, plus now you're negative $5 on the day on a sell down. And the diamond bot system is saying right here that you had a turn but it was only a mathematical script, and it was exactly 1, 2, 3 teenies. So that's 3 times 88 cents from the bottom. And as long as this starts to drop lower, if it doesn't, the bot is right there buying the ask in the equity, bid and ask. You can see it right here in the tape. That's what that diamond means. So you know exactly where they're at in the electronic communication network. They can never escape you because of this. And you can see you're still at 15 and you're minus 0.37 right here in this video. Right here, 0.37. When that number goes down toward 40, then this bot will come right back down and you'll break below these diamonds. And you can see exactly, you came right up here to these two bots, slightly above it. But it's the half bar equation that has the resistance. And what it does, it constantly calculates for you, like right here. It will calculate for you this bar right here. Half bar, 624.52. It does it automatically. So when you take the swing low where the turns happened, that low was 621.23, and this swing high in 9 minutes is exactly 624.14 right here. That's a $3 movement. That's 3 teenies up, a little over 3 teenies, so slightly, you know, I mean in total movement. But look at the bot, look at the diamonds, look at the descending diamond values. That's when you know to be short. It does all the work and it removes it, does all the calculations. This will not hurt you, but will give you that fair playing field that you don't get today because of the high frequency pricing models. And the public is not being treated fairly, because you're not. And we want to make a fair playing field. So listen, it's not something that we sell to the public. We only let our MMTs, our market maker traders that trade in our trading division, our market maker trading division, they use this platform because it makes money. And like I said, when you got to 44 right here in this black box, you can see the diamond drop below right here, because it did, just went higher. It's going back toward 54, and it equals that much money down. And you can see how the red thing, it does not lag price either. Once again, I will tell everybody that standard technical analysis like this stuff here, we don't use that stuff, because the high frequency bots are always ahead of every standard technical analysis indicator that was ever written. Yeah, we have them all. It's just that we're experts in knowing how these people did the programming in the high frequency model system, and how they front run or get ahead of your orders or steal your orders from you. Okay? And the discount brokerage firms online, their platforms are only platforms. They don't do any of the calculations like this does, and let you know how to keep up with price volatility, let you know when to go short and the diamonds are descending in value. It's very simple and very practical, very profitable. It's a place to be. Once again, this is the diamond bot system that SMF has developed that tracks the high frequency bot in the bid and the ask. That's the bid and the ask prices here. Okay? So, once again, we're going to let you see it, and then we're going to let you come and join us, because the truth is going to be told here in the price and the system. There is no doubt about it.